Good morning, guys. Welcome to my channel. Today we're checking out a little pressure washer, something that I wouldn't even consider because it is so small, so inexpensive that I don't think it would do a good job. But after much research, I found out that a lot of people are really liking this machine. So let's take a look at it. So this machine is a 2080 PSI max, 1.6 gallon per minute max, and it's called the Sunjoe. Pulls 13 amps, got an electric 13 amp motor, comes with a utility bristle brush included, onboard foam cannon. Now I was looking at a foam cannon, but this already comes with it. Quick connect spray tips, heavy duty turbo nozzle. And this machine has very high ratings from the people that have bought it already. Brass quick connect lance, deluxe onboard accessories, high pressure 20-foot hose, power cord length 35 feet, total stop system technology, and it weighs 17 pounds. So let's see what's inside the box. And I guess we got some assembly to do here. Here is a nice bristle brush that comes with it. Comes with a quick connect. And we're gonna have to check this out for putting it together. Pieces of the unit here. There's the on-off, the bracket. Here's the gun. So it has a brass fitting on it. Nice big trigger. It's got a spring inside the tip there. And the cord. Got a built-in reset circuit breaker on it. Here's the hose. The wand holder goes here, and the bottom on the wand holder goes right there. And flip it around, and then we got the cord holder goes like that. There's the unit fully assembled with the hoses. There we go. It just took a little bit extra effort for that. So the nozzles snap on here. You got a zero, a 15 degree and a 40 degree nozzle, and you also have a rotating nozzle. And this rotating nozzle here, I guess it moves, it's got a movable jet in the end that goes around, and we're gonna have to check that one out. Maybe covers more ground there. This is the unit right here, the Sunjoe. I never heard of it. I would have never bought it except for checking the reviews. So this little pressure washer looks pretty nice. We're going to be giving it a try now. We got the hoses connected, the wand connected, and we're going to see how this thing works. This is the initial first test, guys. First test. Let's see. Oh, look at that. So this is the oscillating one. tip goes around in a circle. Wow. Hey, you know what? I like that. I like that already. I didn't think a little pressure washer, you know, would do it, but this is what I need to get done. Not only that, I don't have to worry about gasoline going bad in the tank when I'm not using it, because I won't be using it maybe once a year. If I get all my stuff done in a day, that is. I got a lot of work ahead of me, guys. Thanks for watching. Please hit like and subscribe. Catch you on the next one.